Section 1. Head-to-head in the sky. Wing Loong versus Tapas. Out in the wild, knowing your tools is key. Today we're looking at two birds of prey, the Wing Loong 1 and the Tapas. One's from China, the other from India. Both are unmanned, eyes in the sky for their teams. These aren't your everyday drones. They're bigger, tougher, and built for the long haul. They gather intel, track targets, and some versions even pack a punch. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is vital. Out here, the wrong choice can be costly. Let's dissect these airborne predators. Section 2. Specs breakdown. Size, muscle, and reach. First up, the Wing Loong 1. Think of it as the grizzly bear of drones. Big, powerful, with a wingspan of 14 meters. It can carry over 200 kilograms, meaning it's packing serious gear. This bird can stay airborne for 20 hours, covering over 4,000 kilometers. Now for the Tapas. Smaller, nimbler, more like a mountain lion. 9-meter wingspan, lighter weight, but don't let that fool you. It's got endurance, staying up for 30 hours, and a range of 1,500 kilometers. It carries a lighter load, but that makes it agile. Both have their advantages. Wing Loong for raw power and long missions, Tapas for stealth and endurance. Choosing the right one depends on the terrain and the task at hand. Section 3. Eye in the sky. Sensors and smarts. Having muscle is one thing, but brains are crucial. Both these drones are equipped with advanced tech. The Wing Loong 1 boasts an electro-optical system, basically a high-tech camera that sees day and night. It also has a laser designator, meaning it can pinpoint targets with deadly accuracy. The Tapas isn't far behind. It has a similar electro-optical system and even boasts synthetic aperture radar, or SAR. This means it can see through clouds and bad weather, a huge advantage in a tight spot. These drones are more than just cameras in the sky. They're equipped with advanced avionics, allowing for semi-autonomous flight and precise navigation. Section 4. Agile Birds. Flexibility in flight. Out in the wild, adaptability is key. Both drones are designed to be multi-role. The Wing Loong 1, with its larger payload capacity, can be outfitted for a variety of missions. Reconnaissance, surveillance, even strike capabilities with guided bombs and missiles. It's a versatile tool, adaptable to different situations. The Tapas, while smaller, is no slouch. Its endurance and advanced sensors make it ideal for long-duration surveillance and reconnaissance missions. It can also carry lighter weapons, making it a valuable asset in a pinch. Both drones can be customized for specific missions. Think of it like choosing the right gear for a climb. You need the right tools for the job, and these drones offer flexibility. Section 5. Battle-tested and ready deployment tales. The Wing Loong 1 has seen action in several conflicts. It's been battle-tested, its strengths and weaknesses analyzed. This real-world experience is invaluable, proving its effectiveness in challenging environments. The Tapas, while newer, is gaining traction. It's been deployed by Indian forces, proving its capabilities in various operations. It's still early days, but this drone is showing promise. Both drones have their own track records. The Wing Loong 1 has experience on its side. The Tapas is the up-and-comer, constantly being refined and improved. Section 6. Picking your wingman. Which drone for the job? So, which one comes out on top? It depends on the mission. The Wing Loong 1 is like a heavy-duty truck, powerful and capable of carrying a heavy load. It's ideal for long-range strikes and heavy surveillance. The Tapas is like an all-terrain vehicle, agile, adaptable, and perfect for reconnaissance in challenging environments. It's a valuable asset for intelligence gathering and light strike missions. In the wild, you need to be prepared for anything. Having the right tool for the job can mean the difference between success and failure. These drones, each with their own strengths, are changing the game. They are the future of warfare, and understanding their capabilities is crucial in this ever-evolving landscape.